So, geometrical constructions. So, first of all, let's discuss how to divide a line segment in a given ratio. For example, you have been given a line segment and you have to draw it in ratio 2 is to 3. Ratio is given as 2 is to 3, and you have to find out a point here which can divide this line segment in ratio 2 is to 3. It means that if the point is here, the two parts of the whole should be this side and three part of the whole should be that side. How to do it? It's the question. Now see the solution. We will draw a line making acute angle with the given line segment, and we will try to locate 5 points. Why 5? Because 2 plus 3 comes 5. That must be equidistant, at equal distances, and for your convenience you can locate the points like this: 3, 4, and this is the fifth one. So from this fifth one you just join the end point of the given line segment like this, and the second point is here. Now our task is to draw a line parallel to this line starting from here, second point. So what should we do? Certainly we will draw a corresponding angle to have a line parallel. So that corresponding line angle should be drawn like this. First of all, we will draw an arc, and the same radius arc will be drawn from this point like this. And now we will measure the aperture or mouth of the angle like this, and this distance, taking this distance here, we will cut one more arc here. It comes here, and by joining these 2 points we will get a line parallel to this one. So before joining this line we must watch whether we are going to draw a line parallel to this or not. So definitely we are going to draw a parallel line. So finally we get a point here, and this is ABC. This C point divides this given AB in ratio 2 is to 3. So this is nothing but the application of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Why? Because there we have learned that if a line is drawn parallel to a given line in a given triangle, then the other two sides are also divided in same ratio. If a line is drawn parallel to a given line in a triangle, then both the sides, remaining sides, are divided in equal ratios or proportionally. So this is nothing but the application of the same basic proportionality theorem. Now I am sure that you might have become able to learn this construction. So let's discuss the second one. Second one is that we have to draw a triangle. We have to draw a triangle similar to a triangle given here, and each of the sides of this similar triangle so formed must be in ratio 2 is to 3, or each of the side of the similar triangle must be 2/3 of the original triangle. Original triangle is AB here, and we have to construct a triangle similar to this, and each of the side of the new similar triangle must be 2/3 of the AB, BC and AC. What should we do? Similar situation is here also. A line will be drawn making acute angle with the base, and since here ratio is 2 and 3, see, we are not going to add here like that. only we will put here 3 points. We will make here 3 points only at equal distances like this. Only 3 points. That can be done anyway. So here I have taken the use of compass, and this is the third one. So this third one should be joined with the end point of the BC, that is C, and this is the second one. 2 3, no, second one. Now we have to draw a parallel line starting from here parallel to this one, see, CM. So what we will do? We will construct corresponding angle like previous one here, and now we will measure this angle, aperture of the angle, and taking same cut here, we will draw a line which will give a parallel line to CM. So definitely we come here, and this is nothing but the C dot. And now from C1 we will try to draw a line parallel to AC. So how can we do? We will do another corresponding angle like this, and this one will be measured by us like this, and the next cut we will make from here, and joining this C1 to that, it will give the line parallel to AC and join like this. Here is the A dot. So students, what we see here? We see here that now we have constructed triangle A dot BC dot. ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dot BC dot, and it was our task. But how it happened? Let's see. What we have done here, we have done a line parallel to AC, and here we had already divided this line segment in the given ratio. So everywhere the same ratio is maintained. That is why our construction is correct. Now the third and last one. Suppose ratio is like this. Here numerator was less, denominator was more. Now we are going to construct a triangle with a ratio where numerator is more and denominator is less. What we will do here? See, just draw a triangle like this. A triangle like this we have drawn here. The same thing will be followed here. We will draw a line making acute angle, and see 3 is more. So only 3 points at equal distances we will mark here. Only 3 points. 1, 2, 3. And from this second one, not third one, from this second one we will join the 8 point. The end point is joined from second point, and from this third point we will draw a line parallel to this so that it could come outside this base. So let's start drawing a parallel line by making an arc like this, and from the same length of arc we will start like this, drawing another arc, and now the aperture of angle will be measured, and we will cut a mark here, and by joining these 2 points we will be able to draw a line parallel to this one. Suppose this was A, B, C, this was D, this was E. So by producing BC like this, we will get another point F, and from F we will try to draw a line parallel to AC. So for that also we will have to draw one corresponding angle like this. So let's measure the aperture let's cut like this, and by joining these 2 points, producing forward, by producing these 2 points forward, we will be able to draw a line parallel. So, so, uh, so this one will be produced like this to get a dot here. So what we see here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dot B F or C dot. Triangle A dot B C dot, A dot B C dot. Clearly, triangle ABC becomes similar to triangle A dot B C dot. So in this way, students, we complete our construction. So today, in this video episode, we learned 3 things, and all the 3 things are very, very important. So it needs a regular practice to be drawn well. I'm sure that you are all able to learn it well. So try to sketch clearly. So in the next episode, I will be back with some more materials. Till that, thank you very much.